Welcome to the official Eternally Arcane channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a simple but effective protection bat sachet. Protection bats are made for purification, to repel negative energy, break hexes or psychic attacks. They can also cleanse your aura and restore peace and balance, making you feel more grounded. This one here is made with Epsom salt, herbs, oils, which are all chosen for their correspondences and energetic properties. We'll need just a few simple tools to begin: a muslin bag, some jute twine, a pair of scissors, and a mixing bowl. The bowl will be where we combine our bath salts with the herbs and oils, infusing everything with intention and magic. Herbs are often blessed and charged with intention to amplify their power. In folk traditions, they're believed to work on both a physical and metaphysical level, cleansing not just the body but also the spirit and the energetic field. Ritual bathing has deep roots in spiritual and cultural traditions across the world, dating back to thousands of years. It's usually used to cleanse negative energy, invoke blessings, and to set powerful intentions before spell work or sacred rites. In ancient Egypt, Egyptians used natron, herbs, and oils to purify themselves before entering temples or performing sacred work. So it wasn't just about cleanliness, it was a spiritual act of preparation. The Greeks and Romans also brought baths into their daily lives, but they too recognized their spiritual power. Protective herbs like bay laurel were steeped into the water to gain strength, favor from the gods, and to bring energetic protection. In modern witchcraft, ritual baths are still a powerful tool. We use them before rituals for psychic shielding or to break away from stagnant or harmful energy. It's a way to reset, step into your power, and reclaim your space, body, and mind. Now let's get started on making the protection bat sachet. We will be using 3 different types of herbs. The herbs we'll be using are agrimony, which is known as a powerful banishing and reversal herb. It's often used to break hexes, remove energetic attachments, and send negativity back to its source. The second herb we'll be using is vervain, which is a purifying herb and is also used to enhance protection. And lavender, which is a beloved herb for peace, protection, and purification. Lavender calms the mind, soothes the spirit, and helps restore balance. If you'd like to scent your bat sachet, you can either use essential oils or my personal favorite, ritual oil. It is called Sanctuary. This oil contains various herbs and black tourmaline, which is the most powerful protection stone used in energy work. It acts like a spiritual bodyguard, shielding you from negativity as well as psychic attacks. This oil can be used for all types of spiritual works in relation to banishing, reversal work, cleansing, and protection. You can use it for candle magic, ritual baths, anointing tools, crystals, or you can even scent your bath sachets with it like we're doing here. In addition, you can use it as a perfume as well. I'm also lighting one of my beloved ritual candles. This one is called Sanctuary. It has a warm base of spicy patchouli, clove leaf, and it's heartened by benzene. You'll also smell a little bit of vanilla. Please don't forget to trim your wicks and follow proper candle burning instructions. Let's begin making the protection bat sachet. Here we're just pouring in some Epsom salt. Now we're going to be adding the herbs. Let's start with the agrimony. Here we are adding some vervain. And the third herb we're adding is lavender. And just a quick reminder, although some herbs are safe for people, they may be toxic to pets, so please keep herbs and spiritual products away from pets. Now that we're finished making the herbal mixture, we're going to scent the bath salt with the sanctuary ritual oil. This will not only make the bath salt smell amazing, but it's also going to add potency. We are doing protection work, so I am using products that are in alignment with the intention. You can set your intention while you're mixing, or you can do it after, whatever resonates with you the most. Magic begins with your intention, what you truly want to create, change, or attract. The intention should be your focus point, but make sure that you are clear on what you want. In magic, we use tools such as candles, herbs, oils, even crystals to help carry that energy out into the world. Magic works by combining your inner will with symbolic action. So you're not just wishing, you're doing. When you set your intention, make sure that you have a clear visualization on what you are wanting to achieve. In this case, we are doing protection work, so you can conjure feelings of safety, balance, feeling grounded, and protected. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. My name is Christiana, the founder and owner of Eternally Arcane, which is a spiritual witchcraft online store. I handcraft products such as spell candles, ritual oils, bath salts, ritual incense, and more for your spiritual practice. My offerings can be found on the official website at eternallyarcane.com. I'll be sharing more how-to videos, spells, and showcasing new products and tips on how to use them. I'll also be showcasing seasonal collections and much more on this channel, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified when I release more videos. If you prefer to purchase a protection bath sachet, I do have similar ones available on the official website. I also have full-size bath salts that come in beautiful apothecary style glass bottles as well. If you'd like to support my work, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.